Okay, so my name is Godwin Odenema, okay, and on this video I'll be teaching you how to log into the admin end of your website. So you can see this is our website, right? So how do we log into the back end to edit this website, to change, make changes, to change the logo, change some write-up and the rest. So type your website domain. All right, so now after typing it, look at it, .com.ng, right? So slash admin, so type admin, so search, so your domain slash admin, that's to log into your admin dash end of your website. So click on it. All right, let me log out. So I've logged in before. Let me log out. So log out so that I can log in again. All right, so when you click on the link, it will take you like this. Let me go again. So type your domain, so slash admin, so go. All right, so to give you like this, so what you do is the username is admin. That's the default username when you get this. So the password too is admin. So click login. So login successful. So it will take you to your website dashboard, admin dashboard. So you can see when you log in now, this is what you will see. So it's saying you should change your password because the password is a general password. So I will show you how to change the password and every other thing. Okay. So you can see one subscriber, that's you. When people register on the platform, it will be showing here. Maybe someone has registered to register on your platform to show maybe it is two people that have registered, three. So if one agent has joined, vendor, referrals, transactions, all right. So that's what's going to happen. So for you to make changes to this your website, let me put it on. Okay, for you to make changes, you click on this icon here. When you click on it, you can see dashboard, system users, subscribers, credit users, service, transaction, sales analysis, send email notification, site settings, and the rest. So let's take it one at a time. So for dashboard, let's see what is in dashboard. So it will show you your wallet balance. So what Mascawa sub has been selected already, but then Mascawa is just like the platform. It is the platform that renders, that gives you those utilities like data, recharge card, wire pins, and the rest. They are the supplier, so you are buying from them. Okay, so it show you wallet balance and your transaction and everything. So let's see what again. System users. So if you want to add, maybe you want to add an admin. If you're always busy and you want someone to always managing your website for you, you can add a new user. So now we have super. Let's say, let's assume you want to add now. Click on add new user. So full name. Let's say Godwin. Username. Let's say Odenema. So you create a password and whatever it is. So how do you want the person to be? Is it a super admin or assistant admin? So since the person wants to just assist you, you can put the person as assistant admin. Then you add user. So that's for that. So let's go back and see the next one. So subscribers. People that have subscribed, that have registered on your platform, you can see their information. So this is just like the sample one subscriber. So anybody that registered on your platform, you see their information here. So you can easily send them an email. You can even know their wallet balance and the rest. Do you understand? So let's see, credit user. So you can credit a user from this side. So for example, let's assume you had issue with the transaction. The person said maybe the person had issue and you're able to know that okay, it's from your end and you want to credit the user. You can credit the person, right? So select action, credit, debit. You can also debit a user too. Do you understand? Alright, so that's for that. So let's see services. So here is where you can set your prices, set whatever you do now. We have different services. We have airtime, we have data plans, cable TV, electricity bill, exam pin, recharge card, and the rest. So this is where you set it. So if you want to have airtime discount, maybe you want to sell airtime at a discount price, put it there. Then recharge card, alpha top up, data pins, and the rest. So let's see. The first one, click on manage airtime discount. Now, as you can see, airtime. The network is MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile, Airtel, right? So the type VTU, you can set it by yourself, right? So you are buying at how much? For you to know how much you are going to buy, you have to go to the provider's websites, for example, Mascawa's website, to know how much you'll be buying. So user pays how much. So if you are buying at 96 naira, user will be paying 99 naira. So you're having 3 naira gain. Or you can say the user pays 100 naira, whatever way you want. This is if you want to give a discount, but you set the amount you want. Agent pays how much? 98 naira. Vendor pays 97 naira. So if you want to edit this particular one, just click on edit. Now this is MTN. So VTU, share and sell. So if it's VTU you want, put VTU. So MTN, choose the network MTN, right? Anyone you want. So how much are you buying at? For you to know this one, go to the Mascara website to know how much you are buying the airtime. So user pays how much. So the normal person that is buying, that's the user. So an agent is someone that has paid money to upgrade to a certain level. So you are giving a discount. That okay, fine. Since you're an agent, you are paying 98 naira. So as a vendor, it's a higher grade, higher grade. So that one pays 97 naira. Do you understand? So if you want to edit it, just change here. Maybe here is 97 naira, but you confirm from their website. So 97 naira. Then when you are done, click on update discount. So now price is based on how much you are buying per 100 naira. So if it's at 98 naira, it means you are buying 100 naira item at 98 naira. So if it's glow, look at glow now. Glow you buy at how much? You have to check to know how much you're buying at 96 naira, user pays 99. So that's how to edit. You know, this one is for 100 naira one. You can also edit for the one of 200. Look at now MTN Glow, mobile, 9 mobile, Airtel. So the second MTN, let's see now. Second MTN, this is for share and sell. So just set whatever you want to set. And if you want to add a new one, just click on add new. So select network. Let's assume MTN. Type, let's say VTU. So you are buying at how much? Let's say you are buying at 197. So this is MTN 200, right? I mean MTN 200. User pays let's say 199. So agent pays how much? Let's say 198. Vendor pays what? So let's say 198. So agent pays how much? Let's say 197. Sorry, here should be 197, 198. So 199. So here, let's assume you're buying at 196. All right. So that means if the user buys, that means you're having 3 naira. So add discount. Click on add discount. So these are you set for all network. Okay, this one already exists, right? So whatever is does not exist, just add or edit. Look at 9 mobile now, 96 naira. User pays this, so you can edit it the way you want to sell it. So we have MTN 100 naira, Glo 100 naira, 9 mobile. This VTU. Are you seeing? So if you want to add one of 200, you can add. One of 500, you can add. Just check the Mascara website or the API you are using. Okay. All right. So that's for that. Let's see the next one. So okay, under. Okay, we're still here. So click on back. Let me load it again. So we have done that. So let's see the next thing we can do. So under services, so I've done for airtime. So data plans, click on manage. It is through the Mascara website you get to know the information. For example, now look at all plans: 500 MB MTN, 1 gig, 2 gig. Are you saying 3 gig, 5 gig, 10 gig? Do you understand? If you want to see the next one, click on next. Okay, so this is it. So for example, now this is a 500 MB, right? MTN SME 30 days. Plan ID 1, price 115 naira. User pays 150, agent pays 120, vendor pays 110. So if you want to edit this, just click on edit. So the network is MTN. What's the name? 500 MB, right? So what type? Data type. So SME, Gibson, or corporate. So we're choosing SME first, right? So the plan ID, you will get to know it from Mascara site. I will show you. So plan ID, if it's 1, put 1. If it's 2, put 2. So duration, how many days will it last? Okay, buying price, how much are you buying it at? So let me just go to the Mascara website so that you can know. So just type Mascara sub, Mascara sub.com, mascarasub.com. So want to know. So this is Mascara sub. So let me click on it. So you create an account with them, then you log in. So I have an account already, so I'll just log in. So I've logged in already. This is my Mascara account. So Mascara sub account. So when you log in, so let me go here. So this is my Mascara account. Just click on pricing. So you can see the different prices. So This is for airtime. So MTN. So you are a user, you are buying at 97 naira. You understand? You are buying at 97 naira. So how much do you want to pay? How much do you want your subscriber to pay? Do you want it to pay 98 naira, 99 naira? So since you are look at your own here, you are buying at 97 naira. Okay, so Glow, I can see this, 9 mobile. How much? This for airtime. So for Y scratch card, they are saying Y scratch card for 3,380. 3,380. Neco scratch card 1,150 for this, for let me see, smart earner. For you, let's see your own. 1,001. Sorry, you're a smart earner. You're a smart earner. Sorry. This first one is your own. Look at this first one here. Yes. Yeah, smart earner. So 98 naira, buying at 98 naira. So if you want to sell at 99 naira, if you want to sell at 100 naira, it's left to you. So Glow airtime, you are buying at 97. Okay, you are selling at how much? It depends on you. So Y scratch card, you are buying at 3,380. If you want to sell at 4,000, that's fine. If you want to sell at 39, it's fine. So the gain is for you to decide. So Neco result checker 1,150, you are buying at 1,150. You are selling at 1,000. It depends on how much you want to sell. You can sell at 1,500, 1,300, 1,200. Just depends on you. Then NAPTEP result checker 800. You are buying at 800. You can sell it at 1,000 or something. So that's just it's card pin. If you want to set card pin, MTN recharge card pin. The one of 100 naira, buying it at 98 naira. So that's just that. Now for data. So look at MTN data. 100 naira. You are a smart earner, right? You are a smart earner. So for 100 MB, you are buying it at 25 naira. So you can sell at maybe 50 naira or 30 naira, whatever it is. 300 MB, 70 naira. 250 MB, 100 naira. So you set how much you want to pay for it. You want to sell it rather. Look at 1 gig now. Look at 1 gig is 230. But then I don't think this is up to date. I don't think it's up to date. Okay, yeah, it's up to date. Yeah. So we have different 1 gig here. Look at them here. So because I was surprised at 230. So look at 230, the one of 230, the one of 230, the one of 240, the one of 255, the one of 260, the one of 260. Do you understand? So you can buy at 260 and sell at maybe 400 or 350. Depends on you. You are the one to set the gain. So I'm just showing you how you can get the prices and fix. So for Glow too, just like that. All right. So I think, but if you want to set your price on your website, you go to your dashboard like this, then go to developers API. Hope you can see developers, not here, developers API. So click on this. So just scroll down. Your webhook will be up. So price list. So this is data ID. So for example now, look at this 9 mobile, right? For 500 MB, validity weekly. So let me set one for you. So let's say 9 mobile. I want to set 9 mobile. So I want to set 9 mobile, right? So if I want to set 9 mobile, I'll go to, let me leave this one first. So 9 mobile, let me just set 9 mobile. Okay, I think it's not even here. Anyways, let's click on add new. select network, 9 mobile. The name, what's the name of the plan? So 9 mobile, name of the plan is 500 MB. That's the name of the plan. $500 MB. 500 MB. So what data type? So data type gifting. So gifting, plan ID is 180, 182 rather. Look at the plan ID here, 182. So gifting. So I'll select here, so it's gifting. So plan ID 182. So I'll type 182. Make sure the plan ID matches with what you are writing. If not, it will not work. So duration weekly, 7 days. Look at it there. So just follow these steps. So this one is weekly, right? Weekly. All right. So write 7 days there. Then buying price. How much are you buying at? So let's see. I'm buying at how much? I'm buying at 410. As you can see here, 410. So buying price 410. Hold on, let me confirm this. So 182 gifting 500 MB weekly. Alright, so 410. So they can pay 450 or 430, depends on duration days. Sorry, duration days 7 days. Buying price 410. So user pays, let's say 450. Agent pays, let's say 440. Vendor pays, let's say 430. So add plan. So let's see again. So plan ID gifting 9 mobile. Alright, so add plan. So let me do for MTN. So let me look for MTN. Let me look for MTN. So let me scroll down to MTN. So MTN, now let me do for 1 gig. So you can see 260. So look at MTN. MTN SME 1 gig 30 days 260, right? Good. So let me set that. Okay, MTN 1 gig. Look at this one. I think we have it here already. So I'll just edit this. Click on edit. So network is MTN, right? So name 1 gig. Data type SME. Plan ID. Let's check the plan ID. So plan ID is 235 this year. 235 SME 260 1 gig 30 days. So 235. Can copy it if you want to copy. 235. So plan ID 235. If the plan ID is not correct, it will not work. So duration is how many days? We can see there the 30 days. So you are buying at 260. So how much do you want to use that to pay? So you can say 300 or 350. Let's say 350. So agents, how much agents paying? You can say 340. Vendor pays 330. So update plan. So this is how you can add plans for as many as you want. Just go to the website. So you add for MTN. So add for all these different data types. 750 gig, anyhow you want, as many as you want to sell, right? So just add them. So MTN, if you scroll down, you see other ones. So that's for MTN. Let me see. So this glow, just check and fix the price. Now the next one is network list. So look at the network ID here. Let me show you. So go to services. So airtime. So this is MTN, right? So we can edit this one. You can also add. So edit. So MTN. Let's see what we have here. So MTN. This is the ID is 1, Glow is 2, 9 Mobile is 3, Airtel 4. Then another one is Smile. Okay, that's a new one. Alright, so these are the network lists that we have. MTN, Glow, and the rest. So if you want to know how much you are buying it at, so you can see MTN 100 naira, 200 naira, 500. Alright, so when we at the pricing, you see how much you are getting the recharge card when you go to pricing. So you can set your discount if you want to set. So MTN 100, 200, 500. So when you go to pricing, you will see how much you are buying your airtime. So you can set bonus for your user, vendor, and the rest. Alright, so the reason why I haven't showed you was because of the network ID. Look at it, MTN is 1. So let me see. So MTN, okay, there's no network ID for that. Okay, so you just to set like this. So user is paying 99 naira. Alright, so click on update, and so that's for that. So the next thing, let's see what we can do again. Services. So on this your site, you can sell data, sell airtime, sell uh, cable subscriptions, and the rest. Pay electricity bills. So I've done data, airtime. So cable TV. So let's see cable TV. So Go TV Smalley, Go TV Ginger. Yours is just to go to the look at just go to Mascawa. So you scroll down, you see GoTV. So look at GoTV Max cable. So it's 7,250. 7,250. So DSTV Yanga 52. Just follow the price here and set. Okay, so that's for that. So you have told you already if you want to edit something. For example, now if this GoTV Smally, let's see how much it is now. Edit GoTV Smally, how much is it now? So scroll down to GoTV. Look at GoTV Smally. So it is now how much? 1,800. Okay, so you just set it. So GoTV Smally. So it's now double. Are you saying? So 1,800. So user, you are buying at 1.8, so you can sell at let's say 2,000. So here can be 1,980, 1,950. Anyhow, so click on update. So and if there's anyone that is not here, you can just click on add. You can click on add new. Alright, so let's see the next thing that we can do. So let's see. Electricity bill, the same thing. Why pin? Just follow the step. So that's that. So let's see what's next. Transactions. Anything you sell, anything you make will be in this side, it will be in this side. So if someone should buy data now from your website to show here, someone should buy airtime to show here. So that's transaction. Then sales analysis. This is analysis of your sales and the rest to show you how much you have made so far, your total profit, total sales, transactions, and the rest. So send email if you want to send email to your users and the rest. Notification to come here, message to come here. So let's go to site settings, or let's go to manage account first. Manage account. So manage accounts. What is the name of your business? So this one say DBD concept. You can just say like let me put my name or Denema concepts, right? So username is admin, current password. Okay, current password is admin, right? So you can change the password if you want to change it, right? Change the password if you want to change it. So I want to change the password now, so let me change it. So if you want to change it, just change it there, then update details. Alright, so I've changed the name. If you want to change your password, you can change it here. So let's see the next thing we can do. So site settings and API settings as remains, right? Let's go to site settings. So site settings, this is it. So we have general, contact settings, network settings. So for general, The name, my website name is what? Denema Concepts. Concepts. So URL is my website name. So website URL, that's my domain. So this is http adeladareloaded.com.ng. So API documentation link. This is Mascawa, right? So I'm using Mascawa. So anyone you want to use can use Mascawa or any other provider. But if it's Mascawa, you can leave it like this. So which bank do you want to use for manual funding? That means if they want to pay you directly to your bank. For example, someone went to your website and wants to buy airtime, but does not want to buy directly from the website. He wants to buy from you directly as an admin. So there's a there's a there's a provision for him or her to pay to you directly. So this is where you put your card details. For example, now which bank do you want to use? Let's say UBA, then the name of the account, then the account number. Please change all these things or change it to your name. Change the account number. So let's say Goldwin. So UBA account number. Just like that, just put account number, your account number. So this charge is talking about how much uh talking about the charges that for example the Monify and Paystack, those are the banks that will be linked to your website. How much they charge for each of these transactions. So for electricity charges, you can leave it at 50. Airtime purchase 50. So airtime purchase, talking about the minimum airtime they can purchase from your website. Is it 50 naira you want as the minimum, or 100 naira, whichever way? Airtime purchase maximum. Is it 5,000 or 10,000, whatever one you want? How much is the highest they can buy from your website? Then how much is the lowest they can buy from your website? Then agent upgrade, how much should they pay to upgrade to an agent? So vendor, how much should they pay? Just follow it like that. So wallet funding, just update the rest. So that's for that. Don't forget URL is your website. Then this for general, right? So can go to contact settings, contacts. This second one, contact settings here. So your phone number, put your phone number, your email, your WhatsApp number. If you can create a WhatsApp group, then put the WhatsApp group link here. Your Instagram link, Facebook link, Twitter link. When you are done, click on update details. So the network is network settings. Click on network settings. So network settings. So MTN, you enable MTN. VTU share and say enable. MTN SMA enable. Just enable everything. So MTN ID is 1. MTN share and say you can just update that. So that's for MTN. Then Airtel. And click on Airtel. Look at Airtel now. Click on Airtel. So you are enabling all these services. So you can see enable, because these are the things you are selling, right? So if you don't enable them, it will be disabled. Your buyer will not see it. So for example, let's assume you are no more selling a particular product. You can disable it from here. That is the essence of all this part here. For example, you are no more selling Airtel SME. You can disable it from your website. So network ID, Airtel has a network ID of 4. You can confirm it from Mascawa or whatever it is. You can confirm it from Mascawa, but you can leave it. Just leave it like this. Just leave it like this. Leave it like this. So Glow. Just enable the ones you need. Glow is 2. So 9 mobile. Nine mobile is 3. So let's confirm it from here, from a Mascawa. Look at network ID. Look at MTN is 1. Glow is 2. 9 mobile is 3. Airtel 4. Right? Airtel is 4. So let's confirm if it's correct. Airtel is 4. So 9 mobile is 3. Are you seeing? Alright, when you are done, just click on save. Update. So just leave it that way. Then we are done with that. General settings again, go there. Then I'll show you how you can change how your website style looks like. Look at this website style. Click on it. This that is showing eye icon. Click on it. Website style. So as you can see, so this user homepage, how the homepage of the user will look like. So which one do you want? Do you like this one? So let me select one design first. So let's say design 1 that you want. You'll see design 1 now. So this is login style and design. So this is login 1, design 1. So if someone wants to log into your website as a subscriber, if you want the site to show login 1, design 1, you click design 1. Then login and style. This homepage style and design. So the homepage, how do you want to be? Do you want to be like this? 5? You want to be 4? Do you understand? Or you want to be 3? So that's the homepage. So if anyone you want, you can just select it. Let's say 2. So whichever one you want. Alright, so we cannot really know the effect right now until we log in as a subscriber. So for us to effect this website style, we have to log in as a subscriber to confirm. So that will be later. Now the last settings here will be, which is very important, site settings. Oh, sorry, API settings. Go to API settings. So this is very important. Now we have general modify settings, pay stack settings. So modify is a bank, just like UB. Pay stack is a bank too. So these are the two that you will enable on your website, so you can be able to receive payment. Do you understand? So if someone wants to fund their account, they will use either modify or pay stack. Do you understand? So with their help, you are able to receive payment, and they're able to credit your normal account. For example, your main account is UBA or Wema. So after after you are able to collect money from your website, they will now credit you later. Do you understand? So that's the major. So here now we're trying to link our Monify and Paystack account to our website so that when users fund their account and when they buy data, buy time, do any transaction, it will reflect on our website and Monify itself or Paystack will now credit our account. So manage API settings. So cable API key. So they are saying that for cables transactions, which API key will you use? So for general settings, I'm using Mascawa. So I will paste my Mascawa API key here. So meaning that it is Mascawa that is the supplier. I'm buying from Mascawa, the platform that supplies me all the things I'm buying, right? Buying airtime, buying data. So I'm putting the cable API key here. So I'll bring my API key from my Mascawa. I'll paste it here. So this is general settings, right? So I'll paste it here. So let me go and copy it. So for you to see your API key, go to your Mascawa. Go to your Mascawa, use my Mascawa. So go to developers API, click on it. So when you click on it, you see this API documentation page. This is my authorization token. So I'll click on it and copy. So I covered some parts, right? Cover some parts. So cover some parts. So click on it, copy it and paste. Now you paste it in your, you paste it here. So I'll paste it here. So for cable TV subscription, cable TV URL, Mascawa, cable API key. So meaning that I want this Mascawa to supply my cable and the rest. This one, I just use Mascawa for everything. So the API, electricity, Mascawa. So paste the API key here. So exam API key, paste it also. So what it means is that electricity API URL, you are buying from Mascawa. So put your Mascawa API key. Exam checker, you are buying from Mascawa. Put your Mascawa API key. Do you understand? So recharge card API URL. Put your this thing, data pin URL. Just paste it. Since you are using only Mascawa. So this one I'm using Mascawa, but okay. Can leave it like this. Alpha top up the Mascawa API key. So just when you are done, click on update details. Alright, so that's for that. Alright. The next thing is to do our modify settings and paste tag settings. So So click on modify settings. Modify settings. So these settings are very, very important for you to buy and sell data. So let's link our bank, online bank. So now this is modify settings, modify API key, modify secret key, modify contract address. How much does a modify charge? So they charge like 1.5. So meaning that if users buy fund their account using modify or pay stack or pay modify will charge them 1.5% of the money. So modify activation should be on. So meaning that this Wema on here, it means you want them to use Wema to fund their accounts. Modify, if you make it on, that means on money points, Starling Bank, Fidelity. So if you want it to be on, you can make it on, meaning that those are the options that will be given to the users to make payments. So modify API settings, modify API key. So for you to have modify API key, you have to register with Modify first of foremost. So you go to modify.com. So let's go to modify.com. Modify.com. So create a free account since you don't have an account. Create a free account. So since you don't have an account, create an account, business name, first name. Just follow the process. After that, you have to confirm, you have to upload your NIN, BVN, and the rest. Just make sure you follow their steps. And if you have any issue, you can contact their customer care. Any issue you have, maybe they've not verified your account, contact the customer care. Look at the button by the side there. So I will log in now and I will show you what to put. Now, this is very important. Before you link your modify to your website, it must have been approved. I will show you what it means by approved. So your website must show live. So you can see mine is showing live. So if your website, if your your modify must show live. If your modify is still showing test, that means you should not link it yet. You have to submit your details to modify until they approve it. So once they approve it, you can now link your modify API to your website. And to link it, go to developer, here. Click on developer. So you can see, if I say copy your API key, look at it. API key, go here, copy. If they say secret key, copy secret key there. So wallet account number, copy it. Then contract, default contract, this contract code, copy it. Look at contract code. So I'm not going to show you. So the API key, copy it, and that's it. So let me show you where you paste your API key. Now I will show you how it looks like the when it is live. So your modify API setting, go to your modify. Now for this modify API key, go here to copy it. That is when your website is already live. Please, if your website, if your API is showing test, something about test, TEST, that means not yet live. And if it does not show that part I showed you where it is live, I mean it is not live. Okay, so your API key, copy it here. Secret key, look at it. Wallet account number, this is it. Then contract code, this is it. So here, paste your modify secret key here. Example, this is just like if your website is live, your modify API key will be like this: mk underscore something underscore something. This is the format. Then your modify secret key like this. Modify contract code. Once you do that, then click on update details. Now the next thing is to paste tag. Click on paste tag. This paste tag. So the first thing to do is to go to paste tag and update and create an account. So paste tag. Paste tag. So let's create an account. Paste tag. So the same process, you have to submit your details for you to be verified. Make sure you are verified before before you put your API key. If not, you will not receive money from your customer. So I'm saying it now, let your website be live first before you link your. So if you want to create an account, just follow like this, follow like this, follow like this. Then so I will log in since I have an account already. So I will log in. Now paste tag and modify. Your account must be verified first before you link your API to your website. So let me log in. So when you log into your modifier, your Paystack account, make sure it is live already. Make sure it's live. I will show you what it means to be live. If it's not live, it means either the money your customer will pay will not enter your account, or it will not be credited. Whichever way, money will be lost. So make sure it is live. I'm saying it so that you won't make mistake. So if it is live, it will be like this. To be showing this live like this. So for you to link um, your API to your website, so scroll down to settings down here. So under settings, just scroll to your right. So scroll to your right, you will see API and webhooks. Click on settings, scroll to your right, you see API and webhooks. Click on it. So this is your secret key, live secret key. Copy it. This is your live secret key. Copy it and paste it in your website. After copying it, paste it here. Then click on paste tag activation should be on. If you want it to be on, meaning that if you want to receive and accept payment from paste tag, make it on. Then update details. Click on update details. So the next thing is to we have linked our API now. The next thing is our webhook. Our webhook that will link webhook slash paystack slash transfer to. When you transfer to those accounts, the money will reflect in your own modifier. Now for the webhook, we have to link our modifier and paystack to our website. So what is that link? That we have to link it. I've linked it on our website. We also have to link it on our modifier and paystack. So the webhook is what connects the website to the modify and the paystack. That's webhook. It's a hook that connects it. So that's what allows you to receive money. That's what allows people to make payment and it will go through. Do you understand? So for users to be able to get recharge card, get data and the rest. So if it's not linked, it will not work. So now this modify, you go to developer, then you go to webhook, go to developer, API and keys. No, you now click on webhook URL. Do you understand? So to get this HTTPS, if you check the documents, you will check one of the documents in the file, in the drive where you got this course. You see webhook. There's a document on that, the titled webhook, right? So I wrote how you can get your webhook for Monify and Paystack. So for webhook of Monify is your URL, website URL, that is HTTPS / your website's domain, which is mine is, for this one is odenemaegono.com.ng, then / webhook / monify / index.php. That's for monify. So now if you do this, you just click save changes. Do you understand? Just click save changes. So this is the live website. That's why I don't want to make changes. So go to developer, then go to click on webhook URL. Right. Then when you are done, click on save changes. So let me show you for paystack. For paystack, go to settings. So we are in settings already. So click on API keys and webhook. So scroll down. So live webhook URL. So it is your domain, your website URL, http / then your domain. Mine is odenemaegono.com.ng. So your own will be like beauty.com.ng or beauty.com. Then / paystack, since it's paystack / index.php. Do you understand? So modify one is your website URL, https / your domain, which is beauty.com / paystack / index.php. So if you check the documents that is titled webhook, you will see the details there, the explanation. So this is the documents. So for modify webhook, log into your Modify account. On the menu, click developer, having copied and pasted the API keys and details in your website. On the navigation bar, navigate to webhook, paste this webhook there. So the webhook is, look at it here, your website's domain, which is https / then your domain ife.com or godwin.com / monify is for monify / index.php. So make sure you put in your website domain address to replace that of your website. So for page tag, log into your page tag, click on the profile icon and go to profile. Or you can just go to settings. Note that if you want to start using your website, you have to use API under live and paste your website under live. So not test. So make sure you you make sure they accept verify your account, modify and paste tag before you even link your URL, link your API and your webhook, please. So for example now, for the webhook of Monify, look at now. My domain is odenemagon.com.ng, right? So what we start it with is HTTPS, like I showed you, HTTPS colon forward slash, then my domain odenemagon.com.ng forward slash monify forward slash php.index. Then for paste tag is just the same thing. Do you understand? So that's that for this. So let me explain again. So the webhook is hooking your website to your, let's say, to your bank account or to your Monify and paste tag. Then the API you pasted in your website is linking, the API you pasted is linking your the API you pasted in your website is linking your Monify to your website, linking your paste tag to your website. So it has to be two-way. So your webhook will start with your URL, website URL, which is HTTPS colon forward slash, then your domain, then forward slash, if it's modify, then forward slash index.php, then if it's for paste tag, then paste tag.php. I think I've explained it a lot. So let's visit our website as a customer. So let's go to the website. So this is the website. Let me go there. So I want to register so that I want us to make some changes and we can only know when we log in as a customer. So register. So you can see first name, last name. So I'll just do that and log in. So I've logged in as a customer as if I want to buy data. So you can see my balance is 0 naira. If I want to fund, I'll just go here. Fund. So I want to show some customization. As you can see, the name at the top here is NSK sub, right? So I want us to change all those things. So okay, let's log out. Let's log out first. So this is log out. Log out. So I want to show you how you can change all this. Look at this ordinary concept now. I've shown you how you can change that, right? I've changed that by myself. So if you don't want this ordinary concept, I've shown you how you can change it. So okay, are you seeing that? Don't you have an account? Sign up NK sub. You can change it to your own name, right? So log into your cPanel. So I will log into my cPanel now. So after login, go to File Manager. So go to Public HTML. Go to Core. Then go to, so after public HTML, click on core, click on help us. This help us, right? Then click on vendor. Let me come again. Public HTML, under it, click on core, click on help us, click on vendor. So under it, we have all these files. So I'm interested in sites.php. So long press sites.php, then edit. So site.php, edit. So edit. So I want to make some changes to the appearance of our website, how it looks. So look now. Are you saying right now here is NSK sub site name of your site. So you can change the name of our site to something else. So what's the name of your site? So I will say this name of my site. So the name of my site, I'm leaving it as Odenema. Alright. So when you are done, save changes. Click on save changes. Then we'll confirm if that change will be affected. Alright, we have done that, right? So let me go back to my site as a user. So let me log in. So before I refresh, you can see that this part down here is saying don't have an account, NSK sub. So let's see what's going to happen. Let me refresh this first. Okay, so let me log in first so that I can see the effect. The name of the site will have changed to Odenema Concepts from D&B Concepts. So let me log in. So I've logged in now. So you can see the beginning of the header. You can see that it's written Odenema now from D&B Concept before, or what was there. So that's one customization. So if you want to change this Odenema to your own, you can write your name, right? So I've edited the header, right? So let's edit the footer. So click on back. So under public HTML, so let's click on mobile. Since we want to edit the footer, so what is showing on the footer? All right, so let's see. Let's look at what is. Okay, let's click on register. So if someone wants to register, what will show underneath? So click on register. Sorry, click on register from here. Mobile register. So you can see we have register 1, register 2, 3 to 5. So we're going to edit 1 to 5. So let's click on the first one. I'll only show you the first one. You do the other ones. So long press the register 1, edit. So click on edit. So let's see. Now please be very careful with all this. Let me zoom in. So anywhere you see, so since we're editing the footer, so you go down because we want to edit that name that always show at the down. So scroll down, that NSK sub. Good. Look at this now. It's on line 193 or 194. Look at it here. So look, this register. So topmate.com/. So when you click on it, to give you welcome. So let's edit the website. So let's change it to our website. So that's ng. So are they reloaded? So it is are they lad reloaded? Let's come to the ng. So the name here is NAK sub. So I can change it to what I want. I don't want to be showing this name. So if you want to change yours to, please, this is a mistake. Let me go. I'll click on here to go back. So you must not delete any other thing. Please don't delete anything. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to save it. I'll just go back and come again. So go back because I deleted something I'm not supposed to delete. I deleted the less than sign. So I'll come again. So register one. So edit. So why we have many different registers, because we have different designs patterns for we have different design patterns on this website. So if you choose design one, so it will be register one. So meaning that if you chose design one, so if you chose design one for your website and someone wants to register, to show this effect now to register one. But if you don't effect it to other register 2, 3, 4, 5, it will still be showing the old names. So that's why you have to effect it on all the registers, because we have different designs for each register. So let me scroll down. So this is it here. So let me just copy the website and paste it here. So the website, let me show you where I went to. So it is this line 193 or something. Alright, so this is it. Where we have login now. Okay, so this is the place here. Class this. So edit this website to yours. And make sure you don't delete anything you are not supposed to delete. So look at me, I'm taking this step by step. So that's all. So paste your website. So this is the domain. So I haven't edited that. So then what do you want to be displayed on your website? So I want, and then normal to be displayed. So I will delete this n. Then when I'm done, I will save changes. Save changes at the top. So save changes. So you effect the changes, this effect on all the registers, register 1 to 5. Okay, so having done that, we'll go to, just go back. Please make effect to all the registers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have different designs. If you do it for only register 1 and you chose design 2, that effect will not be affected. So please, so I will also make changes to login. So look at login here. So click on login. So I want to make changes to login page too. We have different designs for login. If a user wants to log in to the website, right now it's showing NSK sub. So login. Click on login. Then so we have login 1 to 5. So let me do for first one. Then you do for everything. So edit. So edit. Then click on edit. So this, why we are doing this to all the 5 is because we have different designs. So if you only do for only one, it will only affect only one design. So scroll down. So this is why editing the footer. Scroll down. So login. So you see that name. NSK sub. So let's see login. Okay, so it's here. Under line 86. Under line 86. So where we have div class, test center. So look at this. This is the website here. So you change it to yours. So let me delete this. Please, once you make mistake, go back. I have mistakenly deleted something. Please go back. Go back and go again. Don't save anything. So I'm purposely leaving all this so that it can give you a clue on how to go about making mistake and the rest. So edit. So you scroll down to where you have that website. So scroll down to this place here. All right, so take your time. So delete carefully, carefully. Take your time. All right, I'm done deleting. So I want to paste, but you can type yours.